Sunshine here. Very excited to be with you today. We are going to be making a delicious and simple vegetarian vegan stir fry recipe. I am so excited. Here we go. So friends, we're going to be making a teriyaki stir fry. Teriyaki stir fry is a Japanese cuisine. Teri means luster or shine, and yaki means to grill or roast. So we are basically going to be tossing some delicious vegetables and chickpeas into a yummy sauce, and they're going to look shiny and super appetizing. It's going to come out great. Have you ever had teriyaki stir fry before? You might have had it with chicken or shrimp, all different vegetables like carrots or snow peas or asparagus or bell peppers. So let's look at our ingredients, check things out, and get going. Alrighty class, so I have my ingredients ready. Take a few minutes to get things out. You are going to need several items in your kitchen today. So for this recipe, I'm using sweet potato noodles. If you have a spiralizer, you can cut the potato with the spiralizer. I bought these pre-spiraled. So here they are, ready to go. I have my broccoli cut into florets. So a cup of broccoli, and then I'm using 5 ounces of noodles. And then I have, it's more of a tablespoon of some fresh ginger. Ginger gives us a nice kick, some nice flavor. Also another tablespoon of garlic. So we have a clove of garlic, dice that up. I'm also going to throw in some red bell peppers, about a cup of those, my favorite fruit, some carrots, so a cup, a tablespoon of some oil of your choice. You can use vegetable. I'm just going to use olive oil today because I love olive oil. It's just going to be the base for cooking the veggies. Then we have our teriyaki sauce, super yummy. This is something that you can make from scratch, super easy. So I can share that with you if you would like to do that. You just need a few extra ingredients, but I'm just going to use it from the bottle I got at the store today. Some red pepper flakes for the end. And finally, our chickpeas. So I'm using about half a can of chickpeas, and I already rinsed them. So you're going to want to rinse all of your fruits and vegetables. Have them out nicely like this. All right. And you'll need your measuring utensils and a safe knife to use. And over here, I have my skillet, my saute pan ready to go. I'm going to start mixing things in. So we're going to have our heat turned on here. I have it on medium high, and I have my oil and garlic getting ready with my little saute spatula. All right, so we're going to wait for this to heat up, and then I will start throwing in some of the vegetables. I'm adding some of my vegetables, got my carrots and red bell peppers sizzling. Now I'm going to add pretty soon my broccoli. Things are going to look real colorful and great. Do you guys remember the different colored veggies and what parts of our bodies they are good for? So carrots, orange. What are orange foods good for? Our eyes, right? Our sight? Yep. And what about red? Red, our heart, right? Red foods good for our heart. That was a super fun lesson we did, learning about rainbow foods and how they help our bodies. All right, time to add the broccoli. Things are sizzling here, smelling super good. I also added my ginger in now. So this is a good time to just practice tossing things around. And if you need to add a little more oil, if you see some veggies getting a little brown, maybe lower the heat or just add a little more oil. So far, so good. So we're going to be adding our noodles last because these cook very, very quickly and we don't want them to get too soggy, okay? Similarly, we're going to add our chickpeas last, and then we will add the delicious sauce that makes it all. Alrighty, friends. Looking good, huh? So, time to add the sauce. We are moving very quickly now as things are cooking quickly. So throw in your sauce and get tossing, and then we will be ready to eat. Okay, it's been a few minutes. Things are looking good. I think we are ready to try it. Yeah, that was super fast, huh? I know. That's why I love making stir fries. Things cook very quickly. All the ingredients mix together with the sauce. Cooks it nicely and it tastes so good. Here's a little close-up view here. Delicious. So you can grab a bowl and fork. Carefully use your spatula to put some in a bowl, and our heat is off at this point, so we're just kind of letting things sizzle here. And I'm going to throw some red pepper on top just for a little kick. Okay, let's see what it looks like in the bowl. Time to taste test our stir fry, friends. I'm gonna grab a bite here. Oop, gotta twirl it. Got my noodles. Wow, friends, I cannot get over how delicious this recipe is. So many delicious veggies, healthy carbs, healthy protein with the chickpeas. It is amazing. I really hoped you liked it. Please let me know your thoughts by commenting or liking the video. And there are different ways you can make this recipe, of course. You can try rice or different proteins and carbs. So I hoped you liked it. And of course, I will get you the recipe for sure. So with that, we are departing. Until next time, can't wait to see what activities and recipes we decide to do together. Okay, take care everyone.